Transform your bathroom or kitchen with a sleek new addition. Hi, I'm Warwick. This is how to drill into tiles. Let's get into it. The key tip is to make sure you're using the right drill bit before you start. A tile drill bit or masonry bit works best for ceramic tiles, while a diamond drill bit works perfect for both porcelain and ceramic. Before drilling, mark where you want your holes using masking tape on the tile surface. This helps prevent the drill bit from slipping. Use a marker to mark your spot over the tape so it's easy to see. Set your drill to a slow speed and position the drill bit over the mark. Keep the drill steady and use a gentle, consistent pressure. If your tiles are dense, you may need to dip your drill bit into a glass of water. If using a round diamond bit, you need to start on a slight angle, slowly rotating the drill until you have created a guide for your drill bit to stay in. If you're drilling in porcelain tiles, use a bottle or glass of water to keep the drill bit cool to prevent burning off the diamond tip. If drilling into porcelain, it can take some time to get through, so be patient. Once you're through, clean the hole and remove the tape. Now, remove any dust or debris from the drilled hole using a damp cloth. You're now ready to insert an anchor or masonry plug if required. Or move straight to attaching your fixture if there is a solid fixing point, such as a timber stud to screw into. And there you have it, drilling into tiles made easy. If you like this video, make sure you check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.